Dr. Manu Sharma.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for this opportunity. So my video is self-explanatory. It's a trick for removing anterior chamber oil. When you are fiddling with the aspiration or AC washing, it's always a disastrous thing. So we can remove the oil easily, the oil bubbles with the this silicone oil removal cannula. Passively, it's coming very easily. In the meantime, you can gossip around. It's freely, passively, by the capillary action, it is being removed. So you don't have to do anything. Just place the silicone oil removal cannula inside the AC and the oil bubbles will passively come out. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Any other question?
Any questions?
So, if the oil keeps on coming, what do you do?
It will be passively removed. Before doing removing the oil from the AC, we have already removed oil from the posterior chamber. So these are the retained oil globules which are coming out.
So many times while we are operating as an anterior segment surgeon, and the oil has yet not been removed.
No. For that, it's not. We have to remove oil first from the posterior segment. When it's completely removed, it is the residual.
There may be patients
Yes, sir,
where the oil removal is not yet indicated,
Yes.
but the patients have developed a cataract.
Yes, sir.
So now you can see some of the silicone.
Yes, sir. The residual emulsified oil that can be removed passively by this.
So in any case, I think the trick over will be that maintaining little higher pressure into the anterior chamber,
yes,
so that the oil, because the oil being the lighter than the water tries to come into the anterior chamber, put on a viscose type of a material, press the iris against the capsule,
Yes, sir.
and do not let the, vacuum pressure should be low, so there is no chamber fluctuation, and not lowering of the IUP. Probably you can prevent to some extent the oil sometimes keeps on coming while you are
It's
operating a
passively
cath.
coming out. We don't have to do anything.